Going on, everybody? It is March the 19th on a Thursday, and I'm here to bring you guys my trade recap for the day, the trade that I took, and I'm gonna show you guys my results today. And that'll I'm gonna get right to the charts. So basically today, I trade the 15-minute opening range. I waited for the first 15-minute candle to open, which is right here. As we can see, bulls took control from the sellers below the pre-market low and its pivot point by forming a bullish candle. Now, the body was weak, but this type of sign right here, when we reclaim a level like this that NQ loves to respect and to play around with, that means that bulls are in control. But we had news at 10 o'clock, so I waited till after 10 o'clock news to drop because usually before the news, the market likes to chop, as we can see here. We had bulls coming in from 9:30, sorry, from 9:35 to 9:50. Bulls stepped in. We had a 5-minute candle breakout with a good volume. We retested and we went up. I did not take this trade because we had news at 10 o'clock. And as you can see here, after this 5-minute candle, we chopped. Why? Because we had news at 10 o'clock. So once news dropped, as you can see, we hit the view out, we pushed down. My A plus setup is that we wait for the retest of the 15-minute opening range. I went, I saw that we hit the range right here, but bulls did not step in. I did not see bullish confirmation or volume, so I waited. Now, here's another A plus setup that I always take. As we can see here, right on this pivot point and the course above the pre-market low, we had bullish momentum off this level. We came here, 9:15 pre-market pushed off. Sellers tried to take us lower. Bulls took control, bounced off of these two levels here, and pushed us up. 9 times out of 10, they're going to come back here. The bulls are going to come back here and buy here and push us back up. What I did, I waited. I'm going to put on my Fibonacci retracement tool. It's going to show me exactly why bulls stepped in here. As you can see, these two levels here, the 61.8 and the 50% is the golden pocket. This is a huge sale for bulls and bears to step in, depending on which way the Fibonacci retracement tool is actually showing. But as you can see here, we came back, we stepped in here, I waited. I saw bullish momentum on a 2-minute time frame. I'm gonna go here too. I waited for this candle to close. As you can see here, bull stepped in on this candle right at the 61.8 golden zone. And bulls went in. I got in around here on this 2-minute candle around the 24th that you can see here. Yep, 24,424. I set my first trim at the 38% fib level. That's like my first trim when I trade the retracement, and then I let the second one just ride. And I got out at the 89th, which is right here. Right at, I can say right above this VWAP area. Just in case it rejected, I moved my stop up. That way it didn't come back and it knocked me all the way out. But what I did for this trade, I kept my stop below this previous 5-minute candle, which bulls used to send us up. I kept my stop right below this candle, which gave me a great risk to reward because I was hopefully going to aim for this high day, but I kept moving my stop up, so that at least assured me some profits. And that was my trade for the day. I made $140 on this trade, 143. That's it. I locked my account. And yeah, that's it for the trade recap. So of course I followed the trend. Now the trend might have been bearish overnight, but intraday it was bullish. When we broke out of this range with bullish volume and sellers did not fully take control compared to what we saw with the buyers here, that let me know that we were still in a bullish trend. But look at this, we bounced here. We have we have a low right here, then we have a higher low. This means the trend is bullish. So I had no reason to get short until we officially broke down from this range here and formed another trend move to the downside. Now we were below the VWAP, which is against my rules, but price action beats every indicator. Understanding price action and volume is what's going to make us successful day traders. And yeah, that was my trade for the day. I was patient until 10:25. With this strategy, it teaches you how to be patient and disciplined. I only trade 1 to 2 setups. If the first one does not show, I look for a second one. The second one provided me the confirmation that I needed to take this long position. And that was it for the day. And yeah, that was it. If you did get value from this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and definitely leave a comment and let me know. And I will see you guys in the next recap video.